Car on road.
Wow! Oh!
She stops.
I don't like spiders. It's been a long time coming.
Alright, how you doing? I am Colin and this is Shine Automotive, and we have another project on today that the lads have filmed, which is a Subaru Impreza GB270. We know how much you all like the Subarus on this channel from Nathan's Subaru, which still hasn't had any work done to it yet, but it's all in the making. So this one's Ryan's that helps us out on the race team, and this one, they were an upgrade. They had about 40 brake horsepower more than the standard ones, and they had a load of performance packs on them, upgraded ECU, stuff like that. I'm going to put a link down to Piston Heads where they have a full write-up if you want to know in detail to more spec. So this episode is going to be a 4-part series where we're trying to get this Subaru back on the road and see if we can make it look half decent, because it's in a sorry state. And if you don't know who we are Shine Automotive, a car project channel on the cheap, dead cheap. Let's get cracked on. Enjoy this one.
And I need to stop saying
Right, so in the last video, which was part 2, they got the engine up and running, and then they jumped on to sorting the brakes out, and then found out that every coil spring was either knackered or one of them was broken. So Ryan got some new springs, Nathan got the calipers all shot blasted and powder coated, and we're moving on today to get the suspension and the brakes all built back up. So enjoy this one. This is part 3 of the 4-part series of Ryan's Subaru.
Done. Take the clamp off and then in she goes. There we go. Drop it.
Me and Jake today in the garage. We've got it all to ourselves. Colin's away.
Peace and quiet.
Peace and quiet, yeah. And Nathan's just doing Nathan things. So we're on with the Subaru, as you can tell. The bane of my life. And we've got quite a lot done, to be fair. We've got calipers on, some nice stickers on the calipers, discs, new pads, springs on front, and we're now on with the back. So yeah, the rear. We're just inside. We've got to take all the interior out of the back, as you can maybe see, which is now on the floor there, but that's okay because Colin is going to clean it off for me. Yeah, so we've got the old disc off, dust shield fell off its own accord, so that's off in scrap.
Classic Japanese.
Classic Japanese. We're replacing all the springs because of this one being broken. So yeah, got the bottom taken off, and now we're in the top to take the top mount nuts off. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Yeah, we're up in car.
Up in car? What does that sound like?
That's a guy's car on the road.
Car on road.
Is making noise. So yeah, we've got your 3 top mount nuts, which are hidden behind the seats. So yeah, we're just taking them out, and hopefully the shockers will drop out nicely.
Need a spanner for that one.
I need a spanner for that one. It's a good job I've got a spanner here for that one, because I started doing mine.
Thank you, sir. I'm now recording because Ryan has left the car in a hurry due to this little guy.
I don't like spiders.
I think it's been a small man. They look quite large.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Jake's now.
looks like I'm in charge.
Jake's now doing everything.
Standard.
Right, so we've got all 3 nuts off, and hopefully Jake should just be able to drop this out. And there, this is why I've had to buy 4 new springs. Not ideal, but
What it's life.
yeah, well, that's a bit tangled up. But yeah, we'll come back with it on, well, not that one on the compressor, but the fresh one on the compressor. Also, while we've been working, I've noticed a little puddle collecting underneath the car, and it smells like gearbox oil. So what's happened is, as I've been playing around with that hub on near side, it has pulled shaft. I don't know why camera's down there because you can't see anything, but yeah. So we're ready to start a bit of whippage with gun on the shocker, and the whole ram's gonna spin, so we might just let some of the paint back onto the shocker to hold it all tight. Birthday boys here.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are we today?
23.
23.
Yeah, feel about 53.
How old are you?
Dumb and full of great ideas. I'm 23.
Oh, wow. I'm also 23.
What,
It's
how-
almost like we've all been to school with each other.
Yeah.
Cole's 23 as well, isn't he?
Yeah.
23 at heart, maybe. So, yeah, we'll come back when we're putting the new ones on. Right, so, one rear spring on.
Did a thing.
We did a thing.
Right now it needs to go to shoulders.
Yeah. The garage is under the control of the children, and it is still in one piece. So, this might be our opportunity for a little bit of responsibility wherever he is. No, not him. No responsibility for him.
Good.
No, bad. You just look in there, brum brum. So yeah, we've got the other one to do, and then get it all mounted up, which hopefully shouldn't take too long. What time are we on now, Jakey? About 5 o'clock.
On 5:45.
5:45, wow. We're,
Time flies when you're having fun.
yeah, we're having lots of fun, aren't we?
Loads.
Yeah, we could be at York races.
Could be.
Could be.
On the beers.
On the beers.
Or non-alcoholic
Or your drink of
beverages.
preference. Pimm's on there.
Or a gin.
Or a gin. He's a menace for a gin. Anyway, I've lost track of what we were saying, but we'll be back with something. So yeah, we've got the other one to do.
Spring compressor here. Obviously doing it safe ways, not with them little things in cable ties. But yeah, so we're just gonna get it compressed up and get the strutting.
This is the most working out that Jake ever really does. We've just got to be careful when you're doing things like this because
It's very dangerous.
very easy for them to go wrong.
Those of you who
Isn't
read
it?
physics.
That is why I'm trying to stay as
Yeah.
far away as possible. Not that these two aren't trusted, but
It's a good if you're ever doing one. It's a good habit to
Not put your head up.
be like this side and pull in over because bad things can happen when you least expect them.
Right, see what's up there.
Get that sat up there.
Now I think.
No, I think we'll have it.
Bit more against it. So I think. Right.
So we'll at 3 o'clock again. Oh, we won't get the nut started. Always helps. Yeah, so I'm lined up at the bottom.
Right, that's
Send
yeah.
it a bit, yeah. I can take some pain off.
Ready?
Send it. Oh, just like that. Got you some 2 shockers with some good springs on. So, refit time.
so as the old saying goes, practice makes perfect. Having realised now it's been tightened up the wrong way around.
Because we're on a rear shocker, there's no swivel in the top mount. So, you know,
Happy little boss.
yeah, we like doing jobs twice. So,
Why do it once right when you can do it twice?
yeah, so I've got it 180 degrees out. So, instead of the arrow facing
Nearly as tall as him.
that way, we had it facing that way, and it would not line up inside of the car. But we didn't lift it in before we noticed. I noticed before I messed up.
Yeah, it was only about 20 seconds between this
Yeah,
video.
it was only about 20 seconds. It's now 9 o'clock.
That is not the time.
Yeah, and I'm getting a little angry because I'm short.
Short on patience or just short?
Short. Yeah, so we'll get it lifted in. Won't we, Jakey?
Well, as the old saying goes, yeah, we've got to do it again because Ryan's infinite wisdom has done it wrong.
I've taken a look and now we know what we're doing.
Yeah, now
With them.
now Jake's taking the lead. It should be right the third time,
Yeah. So
Third time lucky.
Third time lucky.
but it is practice makes perfect.
Exactly. And we're having fun. Yeah, lots of fun. We could be fun.
Could be anywhere right now.
But
Could be in Harrogate.
Could be anywhere. Yeah, so what I've done a second time round is I've just absolutely lost my head. I've lost my bottle. That singular stud
Wants to line up.
on the end at half moon wants to line up with
Your single
the-
stud comes to the outside of your car, which is also where you strut.
and your single stud's also still here.
He's the single stud, by the way.
Got the bottle on.
I am just single.
Yeah, in line with that. We good?
Somewhere near.
I'm gonna let some pain on this. So, third time lucky, if not. So nice new spring is now scratched because we've had it in and out so many times. So many times. So, on the third time of trying to line up the top mount
And some expertise.
and some expertise from Jay, we are in the hole. We've got a little bit of fighting to do there at the bottom.
And a big strong ball.
But we've got a lump here, haven't we, to sit on it, so...
It's no fun without a bit of resistance anyway.
No fun without a bit of resistance. So, we're now trying to get it all lined up, which is proving difficult in Jake's words. I've got the hard part of holding the bar, because he's got bigger arms in me.
That bottom one's in. Right, let off. And now I just need to sort of pry it that way.
Twist it.
So, bolt. What do you want me to do with it? Yeah, but you know when
How far off are we?
a lot.
So
There's some weight behind it.
If Ryan does the little bolt.
I'll do the kids' job. Jake can push the car off of them. Oh wow, you've got big arms. Send it. Bit mass.
Look at him shake.
I think we'll get it. There is quite possibly an easier way of doing this, but we're winging it. Absolutely winging it. Go on, big Clive. Go on.
What's that looking like? Is it long?
Couple of long. No, because it's like a bit bolt.
Well, I was thinking, if you do this, get the bottom out. Get the bottom in. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not allowing
Just
it.
send it.
I'm not allowing it.
Just send it.
I'm not allowing it. You're gonna have to be quick.
Right, go on.
Jake did it on his own. Ryan just watched.
Hey. Standard procedure. Ideal.
Let him look like he's doing something now.
Main man.
So that's one side in, and then the other side will go in exactly the same, but easier.
We hope. I hope.
Allegedly.
So I don't get paid for this.
Get paid with love and kindness.
I get paid.
Yeah, so we didn't finish last night because we got an invite to go for some beers. So it was
Cameraman's birthday.
cameraman's birthday, so we
Data master.
master data, master of the data. So it's Sunday now, and it's about 1 o'clock because we had a little bit of a lie-in. So yeah, we've got all this side built up. Jake's just put the sticker on.
Still bad, isn't it?
The Subaru sticker. Yeah, so we got, last night we quickly banged all the shocker in, the new discs on this side. We've got everything prepared for the other side. We've got calipers, which Nathan sandblasted, and we've re-pistoned them because all the pistons are, that was the hardest one to get out. They were all corroded, all brakes were seized, it'd been parked for a long time, so we've had a full refurb on them. Sandblasted, powder coated by Nathan. Well, I sandblasted and he powder coated them. So yeah, we've just got the other side to bang back together today. Hopefully just a nice steady day, and yeah, we'll keep updated. Whoosh! Right, so we're now putting the rear bench in, and I am the cameraman while Oliver learns mechanics. Say hi, Oliver.
Hello, Oliver.
Yeah, so as you can see, Colin's got his work cut out with the cleaning. It's a little bit like that. Exactly like that. So yeah, once we've got the rear seats in, we just need to bleed brakes up. So yeah, we'll come back to you.
So, yeah, this is all this back together. Really simple. There's just 2 bolts in either side for the bottom seat, and then a row of 4, and it just hooks on. So yeah, it's nice and easy to get to your top struts really. So yeah, that's that back together, and just needs a clean now. So, good to go.
Right, so it's Bank Holiday Monday, and we've got everything built up. Discs, calipers, springs,
Front and rear.
engines in, front and rear. Rear's done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put some wheels on, play a little bit of jigsaw, try to figure out how we're going to get out. We might have to put some wheels on that one, but hopefully not, because that's more work. We're going to take it outside and do fingers crossed, give it a bit of a clean, take some stickers off, and maybe see if Nathan will open the garage up to get it ready for an MOT. Mwah!
So yeah, Brian's got the car started. We're ready to take it outside now and get it cleaned up and see if we can get some of these stickers off. So yeah, she sounds well.
Look who's decided to show up as well.
Yeah, Colin's appeared. We've got him on cooking duties. Ryan's not a happy bunny this morning, although the Scooby is finally leaving the garage.
18 inches, nice and steady, not rocky.
Wow!
Right. Oh,
She stops.
oh, no mirrors.
It's got no mirrors.
Doing a good job, lads. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into getting all the gammy old faded rotten stickers off. Get all the stickers off, give it a good wash down, assess the paintwork, see what paintwork we're going to have to do on the actual shell, and then we will move on to try and get the bonnet prepped and in colour today. That's what we're going to try and do. So right now, let's just crack on, stick it on a time lapse and jump straight into it. But that will be in the next video. Click here to watch the full series so far. See you in the next one.
Yeah, we're up in car.